Hi, Sarah. You are a little late today. Is everything okay?
Yes, I am okay. Sorry.
You look a little sad. What's wrong?
This morning I went to the coffee shop on the corner.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I tried to order coffee. I spoke English.
That is good practice.
But the man speaks so fast, I don't understand.
I know. Many people speak fast here in Chicago.
I tried to speak slowly. The people in line, they laughed at me.
Oh, Sarah, I am very sorry.
I feel very bad. I feel shy. Maybe my English is not good.
Your English is good, Sarah. You are learning.
But I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn.
I feel nervous to speak now.
Don't worry. Let's practice together. We can use simple words. Okay, let's talk about your day. This is good practice. What do you do every morning?
I wake up.
Good. I wake up. What is next?
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Excellent. See? You are speaking perfect English. This is easy.
Yes, simple is good. Let's try one more. What about your sister? What does she do?
She go to school.
Very close. Remember, for he or she, we add s.
Oh, yes. She goes to school.
You got it. That is exactly right. I go, she goes.
Yes. Learning is step by step. You are doing great.
Step by step. Okay, don't think about the people in the coffee shop. Just keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel better now. I will practice every day.
Hi, Marco. You are very quiet today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hello, Sarah. I am okay. Just tired.
Are you sure? You look a little sad. We're on break. You can tell me.
Well, this morning, a customer asked me a question.
Yes?
I tried to answer in English, but I made a mistake.
What happened?
He asked about our boss, Mr. Kim. I said, he live in Los Angeles. The customer smiled and said, he lives.
Oh, I understand.
I feel stupid. I always forget the S. People laugh.
You are not stupid, Marco. That is a very, very common mistake.
But I feel nervous now. I don't want to talk.
Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need practice. Let's practice now. It's easy. Okay, we use the simple present for daily routines, right? For example, I work here. You work here.
Yes, I work, you work.
Good, but for he or she, we add s. So, Mr. Kim, he,
Works here. Perfect. See? You know it.
and my friend, Maria,
She works here too.
you got it. Let's try another one. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. too. What about Mr. Kim?
He eats lunch at 1 p.m.
Exactly. You are doing great.
It is easy when I speak slowly.
That is the secret. Take your time. You don't need to be fast.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel better.
Good. Practice makes perfect. Let's go back to work.
Hi there. Is this seat free?
Oh, yes, please. My name is Sarah. I live near here. You are reading an English book.
Yes, I am Marco. I study English every day.
That's great, but it is very hard. I study, but I cannot speak.
Why not? You are speaking to me now.
Yes, but you are very kind. Yesterday, I went to a store in Brooklyn.
And?
The woman spoke very fast. I did not understand. I wanted to ask a question, but my mind was blank. I felt so nervous.
That is a normal feeling, Sarah. Don't give up.
I make many mistakes. People get angry.
No, not angry. People in New York are just busy. They speak fast. The secret is to speak slowly. Don't worry about them.
Slowly?
Yes, let's practice. Look at the park. Tell me what you see. Use simple sentences.
I see trees.
Good. I see trees. What else?
A man. He walk his dog.
Almost perfect. For he, we add S.
Oh, he walks his dog.
Excellent. What about the children?
They play.
Yes, they play. You see, you are speaking English.
I play. He plays. They play.
You got it. Just remember, slow and steady wins the race.
Slow and steady. I will remember.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing.
Thank you, Marco. I feel better. I will try again tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am. You look a little lost. Can I help you?
Oh, yes, thank you. I look for...
It's okay. Take your time. I'm Marco, the librarian.
I am Sarah. I am sorry. My English is not good.
Your English is fine. I understand you. What are you looking for?
I feel nervous. When I speak, people, they don't understand me.
I understand. It's difficult. Many people feel that way.
I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
I want to find a book.
A book? Great. What kind of book?
A book for English, simple English.
Ah, you want a book for learning English.
Yes, I want to learn.
We have many good books. Follow me. These books are for A1 and A2 learners. They are perfect for you.
Oh, thank you.
You see, you asked a question and I understood you.
Yes, I spoke slowly.
Exactly. You don't need to speak fast. Slow and clear is very good.
Slow and clear. I will remember.
You are doing great. Learning is step by step.
Step by step. Yes.
Do you want to check out this book?
Yes, please. Thank you, Marco.
You're very welcome, Sarah. Good luck with your studies. Hello there. A beautiful morning in Philadelphia, isn't it?
Yes, it is very nice. My name is Sarah. You look very serious. Is that homework?
Hello, Sarah. I am Marco. Yes, it is English homework.
Welcome to the community garden, Marco.
Thank you. I like this garden, but my English is difficult.
What are you studying?
The verbs do and does. I am very confused.
Ah, yes, that is a tricky one for many students.
I feel shy to talk to people. I always make mistakes.
Don't worry. This garden is a friendly place. Mistakes are okay.
Really?
Of course. Let's practice. Look at me. I plant tomatoes.
I plant tomatoes.
Good. Now, look at that woman, Maria.
Okay, she plants tomatoes.
Yes, you got it. Now, let's try a question. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Now, ask me about Maria.
Does Maria like gardening?
Yes, she does. See? You are doing it.
Wow, it is easier when I see it.
You are on the right track, Marco. Just keep practicing.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel much better now.
Anytime. Now, let's water these plants.
Excuse me, are you waiting for the number 12 bus?
Oh, yes, I think so.
You look a little unsure. I'm Marco, by the way.
I am Sarah. Nice to meet you. This sign is difficult.
I know. The bus schedule in Seattle is very confusing.
I want to go to the university.
Okay, yes, this is the right bus. It comes in 10 minutes.
Thank you. I feel bad. I am afraid to ask for help.
Oh, why?
My English is not very good.
Yesterday, I tried to ask a man.
What happened?
I spoke. My mind, it went blank. I forgot the words.
Oh, that happens to everyone, even me sometimes.
The man looked at me strange. I felt small.
I am sorry. He was probably just in a hurry. Your English sounds clear to me.
Thank you, but I make many mistakes with go or goes.
Ah, the S problem. It's a very common mistake.
Yes, I say my friend go, but my teacher says goes.
That's right. It's simple. I go, you go, we go, they go.
I go, we go. Okay, but he goes, she goes. So my friend he goes.
Exactly. You got it. I go, he goes. See? It's not rocket science. You are learning.
It's not rocket science?
It means it's not so difficult.
Oh, I like that. Thank you, Marco.
No problem, Sarah. Look, here is our bus.
Excuse me, you look a little lost. Are you looking for something?
Oh, thank you. Yes, I look for Riz.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. What is Riz?
R-I-C-E.
Oh, rice. Of course, I understand.
See, my English is bad. I say it wrong.
No, not at all. Your English is good. That sound is difficult.
I feel nervous to ask for help. I feel shy.
Please don't worry. It's okay. I am happy to help.
Thank you. The rice is in aisle 5. I am going that way. We can walk together.
That is very kind. My name is Sarah. I live here in Chicago. I am Marco. I am new here.
Welcome to Chicago, Marco.
Marco?
Thank you. I like the city, but speaking is hard.
I understand. You just need to practice. How do I ask for rice?
You can say, "Where is the rice?"
Where is the rice? That is perfect. Or where can I find the rice?
Where can I find the rice? Yes. You see? Easy peasy.
Easy peasy?
It means very easy.
I like that. Thank you, Sarah.
No problem. Here we are. Aisle 5.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime, Marco. Have a good day.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hello. I want 1 coffee, please.
You got it. 1 hot coffee. Anything else?
Yes, and 1 tea for my friend.
Sure. 1 coffee and 1 tea.
My friend, he like green tea.
Okay. 1 coffee and 1 green tea. Your English is very clear, you know.
Oh, thank you. I feel nervous.
You don't need to be. You are doing great.
I make mistakes.
Everyone does. Can I give you a small tip?
Yes?
You said, I want, which is perfect. When you talk about your friend, he, you just add an S. So he likes green tea.
Marco?
Oh, yes. I forget the S.
No worries. It is a very common mistake. I go, he goes. I like, he likes.
Exactly. You got it. I want 1 coffee. He likes green tea.
Perfect. That will be $6, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. We'll have your drinks ready in just a minute.
Thank you for your help.
Of course. Have a great day in Austin.
Hi there. Your dog is beautiful.
Oh, thank you. His name is Max.
Hi, Max. My dog is named Lucy.
Lucy. She run very fast.
Yes, she loves this park. By the way, my name is Sarah.
I am Marco. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You have a small accent. Are you new to Los Angeles?
Yes, I am from Brazil.
Welcome. Thank you. I am sorry for my English.
Why are you sorry? Your English is good.
I make mistakes. I said she run. I know it is wrong.
Oh, please don't worry about that. That is a very small mistake.
But I feel shy. I am afraid to talk.
I understand. But you are learning. It's okay to make mistakes.
You think so?
Yes, it's an easy rule. Look at Lucy. She runs fast. She runs. And your dog, Max, he jumps high.
He jumps. Exactly. I run, he runs. I jump, he jumps. I understand. I forget.
Practice makes perfect. You just need to talk more.
You are very kind. This park is a good place to practice.
Yes. Thank you, Sarah.
No problem, Marco. See you tomorrow?
Yes. See you tomorrow.
Excuse me, do you need help with that machine?
Oh, yes, please. I am confused.
No worries. These old machines are tricky. I'm Marco.
I am Sarah. I am sorry for my English.
Your English is good. What are you trying to do?
I want to wash my clothes, but which button?
Ah, okay. First, did you put in the soap?
Soap? Oh, no.
Here, the soap goes in this little drawer.
Okay, I put soap.
Great. Now you need to put the quarters in here.
Perfect.
Last, you choose the water. Hot, warm, or cold.
I like cold.
Okay, just press that button. It works. See? You did it.
Thank you. I am new in Boston. I feel shy to ask.
I understand, but it's okay to ask for help.
I make many mistakes when I speak.
Mistakes are how you learn. Hang in there.
Hang in there?
It means don't give up.
I like that. Thank you, Marco.
You're welcome, Sarah. Enjoy your clean clothes.